Hello guys. One of my friends gave me bought me a GFriend present, and it has arrived in the mail, and I don't know what to expect at all. So I want to do an unboxing for you guys in front. Yeah. This time, hopefully, I'm pretty sure this time the video will work because last time I did an unboxing of the GFriend first concert DVD season of GFriend. The video didn't work, so I did all this talking for nothing. And yeah, the box was already open, and I had to reenact my reaction. So I'm gonna unpeel it. But here's cool. It says K packet. How cool is that? So Young Woon from, and it's caution fragile, so I should be careful as well. And I thought I would put on some music from this certain group. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know them. Ooh, okay. Let's open the box. There's bubble wrap. Wow. Oh no, is this a light stick? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Cause I always know that because I haven't bought any light sticks for BTS or GFriend, because I was just waiting for like when their concert happens, then I'll just buy it then, because that's when I need it. But I always want one. Wait, so this is the GFriend light stick, is it? Must be. Has to be. My first light stick. Oh my god. It's a GFriend light stick. It has the G in it. Can you guys see it? You guys will see it because I'll take it out of the box. No wonder it had fragile on it. It says light stick on it. It's got a box and it's got the GFriend logo on the top. Wow, this is really exciting. My first light stick. No way. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. This is too exciting. I'm glad I did an unboxing for this. This moment. This epic moment. Oh, it comes with something. Like, we'll open that in a minute because which one shall we do first? I think we'll take out the light stick first. Whoa, so the top comes off. Alright, I think the music needs to come back on. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Is there water inside this? There's liquid inside this, guys. Oh, is it like a snow globe? Are you serious? No way. Look at that. I know these things are sturdy enough to rock because in concerts everyone's always doing this with them. Wait, do you guys want me to turn it on? Do you reckon there's batteries in it yet? I'm gonna try turning it on. Nah, I don't think there's batteries in it yet. How cool is that? No way! Are you serious? I'm in love with it. This is too cool. It's got the GFriend logo on the button. I'm just gonna unscrew the bottom part. No, maybe not. I'll wait till I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, this is so cool. Thank you so much. I want to know what's inside this little packet too. Oh, cards. Shinbi, yes. Is it in focus? Is she in focus? How did they? Is it one of everyone? So far. Oh, these pictures are really good. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, they look so good. How did this... They had Shinbi on the top. Yes! My bias. I love this so much. It feels so good to hold. Look at it. I'm in the sunlight coming off it. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Yeah! It doesn't have their names on the boxes. Look. Wait, has... Oh, thank you so much for this. Ah! So, when GFriend comes to a concert, or I get to go to a concert, oh my gosh, it glitters when you shake it. It glitters when you shake it. Alright. I better end the video, otherwise this could go for hours. Alright, thank you for watching, and hopefully this video recorded, and I'll see you later. Bye! Hello guys, do you want to see it light up as well? I've put batteries into it. Here we go. Oh, it lights up. Oh, now I need music. Hold on, 1 second. Oh, this bit flashes at the back. I guess that means it's on. Love it's got the G on it. You can see it. Trying to get myself out of the camera mood. Alright, see you guys. Bye.